This is Chewie's bumper as it came off months ago now, and as you can see there's still plenty of structure on this side to the steel, but this side, the panel that was there, well, that's all that's left of it, so it's virtually non-existent. Luckily, when we got this car, we noticed that there was damage to the outside skin of this on this side here, and that meant that we, as well as the wings and the bonnet that we got spare with it, we got another bumper, which is in, the plastic is in better condition. And luckily I went and had a look at this, and yeah, this side is a little bit dented up, but the right hand side is still there, so it's in pretty bad condition though, so all I can really use that for is a reference. But I had a realization when I was staring at the two of them on the ground, and really what I realized is that this, if I actually just turned it inside out, would be the part that I need for that side. So I'm going to try and do that, and I'll use the I'll be able to use this bracket here down to there, stuck on the other side. So I should be able to make the part for the right hand side. This is the one that originally came off this car, and this is the one from the donor. This one is still pretty straight, so I'm going to clean that up and keep that for the left hand side. And this is the one I'm going to attempt to turn inside out and flip to use on the right hand side. There's also a better beam from the donor as well, so I'm going to swap them over now. This I'm keeping for the left and middle, and this I have to turn into a good one of that. The good thing about having to drill these out to fix them on the other side is that I'll have the holes which will help me to line them up exactly where they're supposed to be when I've flipped this around. I want to trial fit this before I go finishing off the welding. Oh, that's perfect. Brilliant. Oh man, that's a relief. So we'll weld that up like crazy now, and whatever little bits of tweaking for it to fit the plastic won't be as big an issue as this being vertical in the thing and meeting up with this cross beam. Great stuff. I have to admit I'm fairly pleased with how that's turned out, considering that's what I started with and two fairly rough left hand sides. I'll work on the outer skin when I'm doing other body prep for the final spray job.